Hey guys, welcome back. So Antec sent over the DA601 Dark Avenger case amongst other parts a while ago, and now we finally got a chance to do a proper build in it. Since we done an Intel based build last time around, why not do a Ryzen one in this one? So let's get into it. let's go over some of the parts we used in this build quickly. The motherboard is the ASRock X470 Taichi with a special neon touch. CPU we used in this build was the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. For RAM we used 32 gigs of Corsair-Vengeance RGB DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. On the cooling side of things we used Antec's Mercury 240mm all-in-one cooler. Power was supplied via the Antec High Current Gamer 850 watts modular power supply. And if you didn't notice, the case we used is the Antec Avenger DA601. You'll find a list of all the parts I didn't mention in the video description. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I do hope you liked the build. If you do, give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell notification for future updates. See you in the next one. Bye.